How to fix iPhone stuck in SOS mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your iPhone stuck in SOS mode? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll show you how to fix this issue quickly and easily. So, first things first, you need to head over to settings and then you'll need to go to General and then tap on Software Update. So, this stucking in SOS mode occurs when your iOS is not updated to the latest version. So, make sure you have always updated your iOS to the latest version. Then, you can swipe down from the top right and then toggle on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and toggle it off. This refreshes the connectivity. And then finally, the simple answer is try restarting your device. You can see the power button in the top right corner. So you need to restart it because sometimes restarting a device also goes a long way. So I hope one of the solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.